Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Perplexity to automate competitor research reports, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Perplexity website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the competitor research section on the platform. Click on Create New Report to initiate the setup process. Choose the industry relevant to your competitors from the drop-down menu. Enter the names of your top competitors in the designated field. Select the types of data you wish to gather for your report. Consider options such as market share, pricing strategies, and digital presence. Adjust the time frame for the data you would like to analyze. Define any additional parameters or filters to refine your research report. Once all inputs are complete, review your selections for accuracy. Click Generate Report to start the automation process. Wait for the system to compile the data. This may take a few moments. Once the report is generated, navigate to the report summary. Examine the key insights and data points presented in the summary. If needed, customize the report layout for clarity and presentation. Download the report in your preferred format, such as PDF or Excel. Schedule regular updates for the report to receive ongoing insights. Utilize the report to inform your business strategies and decisions. Review competitor performance regularly to stay updated on market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.